So guys, first method, open any browser. So type HP, go to www.hp.com. This is officially website. Then click to support and then software and driver. And click to printer, and guys enter model number, type HP NV 6455. A. Okay, so by default detect the Windows 10. So if you are using different, so no worry about it, you just click to choose different OS, select this, and this videos making in Windows 11. So if you are a other operating system, no worry, you can follow this video and install any other operating system because in installations process same. So this is a software, okay, and require the internet connections to install driver. You can see the installation software full and basic driver. So this is offline, just click to download. So it is done, just single click to open. Now this is extracting data. Yes. Then continue. Yes. Continue. So you can see there are two type of driver, wireless and wired. So if you know your Wi-Fi name and your printer IP address, so select this, like show you. Continue. Find my printer already connect on the Wi-Fi. Now the searching the printer on your Wi-Fi network, your environment, only on network, okay, not is locally. Now it is not get, so click to check and search IP address, so you can enter the IP address, okay. Otherwise you just back and select this by USB, okay. And then click to continue. When you connect the printer to your laptop by printer cable and detect, and it will next to install and after the restart installations, okay. Thank you.